Hi guys, as you can see, this is the first vlog of the Thailand travel. We have just arrived last night and today we are out and about ready to go.
You would be seeing me in like very casual clothes because today I decided to not like dress up very fancy. I just wanted to like get ready and just get out of the hotel because that was the plan. And we've come to this cafe which I will show you guys right now. I think we're here. Let me just figure it out and get back.
So we just arrived at the cafe. As you can see, the name of the cafe is on the screen and it's a super cute cafe. It was quite popular with expats. I saw no localite there but all like people from outside, and we were so hungry and the food was so good that we just ate without taking any pictures. Of course, I had to do a takeaway of my Thai tea. I'm obsessed with the Thai tea here. The first thing that I did was go to a beauty store. This is one of the most popular beauty store in Bangkok, Thailand, and it's like a Sephora, but it's a Sephora of Thailand. It's called Even Boy. I have written it on the screen. You could read it. It has sachets for almost every product.
The samples, so that there are samples like this. And this is the sample that I want to try. So you have a different section for day and night, like day product and night product. Oh,
As you can see, the goods are secured. I was so happy with what I got, and it's a successful day one. The billing was super quick as well. So many people were buying it, but I was really focused on buying a lot of samples. And then we sat in this really cool cafe, and this tea place was quite good. I got hot tea in such a big cup, which is what I'm really surprised about and talking here. So what do you do after a long day of shopping and eating in Thailand? You come for a massage, and this is one of the popular places called Thai Thai Massage. Just prepping up for it, and I was super excited. This was the first Thai massage of the trip, and yeah, as you can see, it's always so amazing the way the hospitality works here. I was so relaxed and so happy with it, and it ended with a super nice tea and a lovely decor. After that, we also walked a bit and ended up in this park which was next to the malls and literally in between the city.
after we got the massage, we have come to this really nice park that's next to the massage place. I mean, it's not next to it, but like it's walkable distance. And you know, the weather is so nice. It's like not very humid actually because of that. And it's like right now it's like 5 p.m. so it's almost sunset time. We thought that it'll be nice to come and just walk around the park.
As you can see, we are back to the hotel, and the room was really small and cute, but it had everything that was needed. I also went to the 7-Eleven before heading back to the hotel, picked some really random stuff which you can see here, some necessity things to just try. I really found these bananas super cute. They were like so tiny and in a packet. Okay, see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.